Okay, we know that we can do this way quicker. So let's just remind ourselves, well, this is just for my benefit, y equals 1/5 x plus 5 squared minus 6. So we know that the y coordinate of the vertex is -6. However, let's find the x coordinate of the vertex, which is always going to equal -b in the standard form. -b over 2a, and then sub into general form to solve for y. Now I'm going to use this color this time because I think you guys can handle it. -b is going to be -2 all over 2 times 1/5, which is our a. So I'm going to say -2 over 2/5. That is fraction division, so -2 times 5 over 2, which is just going to be -5, which, my friends, is what this tells us right there. Okay, so we're going to substitute this into the general form and solve for y. So y equals 1/5 x squared, but we know that x is -5, so -5 squared plus 2 times -5 minus 1. Y equals 1/5 times 25 minus 10, that's what this is right here, minus 1. Y equals 5 minus 10 minus 1. 5 minus 10 is -5, minus 1 is -6. So that is maybe a little bit easier. I would say for the previous example it was way easier just to substitute in for to find the x coordinate. This one you have to substitute in this value anyway, and it wasn't that bad of a question to not that bad of a question to complete the square for. So I just want to alert you to the fact that you have some extra completing the square practice. So what I want you to do is I want you to start with this. Okay, so flip over your page, go to the next page, go to complete the square and do these first 15. Okay, just do it. And then what I want you to do is I want you to go into your textbook, because this will really solidify the completing the square. So on your master check, it's basically going to be maybe like 1 or 2 completing the square questions, and then one kind of like application question, like determine the y coordinate of the vertex, or determine the axis of symmetry, the equation for the axis of symmetry. So the main focus truly will be on completing the square, because I need to ensure that you have that skill.